All right, good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Let's take a look outside. You can see the Island View Casino camera overlooking Gulfport right now. We're looking at a mix of sun and clouds, mostly sunny out there for us, though. And guess what? It is heating up indeed. It's a little muggy outside, but it's not the worst. Here's our weather headlines. 90s for today and for tomorrow. Then also we are talking about a temperature drop. Now, don't get your hopes up. It's not a big one for us, but they'll be lower than what they are for today. And also we got to get you up to speed with what's happening with the tropics as well. So a lot to get to. Let's start off with your temperatures. Not at our highs just yet, but we're almost there. Looking at the mid 80s, North Shore, South Shore too, down to Bayou, looking at some 90s already, so already starting to get hot. This is very similar to yesterday. We'll get a closer look though. Looking at Bay St. Louis, starting this noon hour off at 86 degrees, 87 over in Mandeville, Folsom, starting off at 84. Then highs for today, we got a couple more degrees left to go before we do reach it. Looking at the upper 80s, lower 90s, again, very similar to yesterday. So going to feel about 2 to 3 degrees above that actual temperature, and that's actually where a lot of us are sitting at right now. So as we go throughout the rest of the day, eventually we'll be back into the 80s for us. As soon as we hit the 90s, back into the 80s for the evening. Evening hours, though, have been feeling decent, though, as we do have some dry air, and so it's not letting us feel like super sticky in the evenings. Here's what's going on, though, as far as rain goes. We are dry right now, but we could see a spotty shower or two for today. It's a very low chance of that. And then for tomorrow, kind of the same forecast as today. Another very small chance of seeing a shower or two. Maybe got a 10-20% chance, but look what happens on Thursday. We are going to up those chances ever so slightly. Now, I don't think it's going to be a washout over the next couple of days, but we will see an increased chance for rain. So here's what's happening. Upper level low starting to develop. You start seeing more moisture move into the area, and this is going to kind of move onshore or move inland ever so slightly. This is by the time we get to the weekend. Now, a lot of this may end up just staying offshore. That's where the bulk of the rain does look to happen, but we'll still get some impacts inland. Over the next 7 days, look how much rain we are expecting to see. So basically, throughout the rest of this week on into the weekend. More so around the coastal areas, so lower Plaquemines looking at about 3 to 5 inches. But see what happens as you get inland. It does start to go down a little bit. So those chances or the amounts do start to lessen, especially as you get on the North Shore, who really needs the rain. But here's where a lot of the bulk of the rain is going to be. You can see offshore. So that's something we'll be watching that'll likely look different here in about 24 hours or so. Still watching 2 systems out in the Atlantic. So as of right now, Hurricane Umberto now a Category 1. So this was a 3 earlier this morning. Now it's a 1, still causing some impacts over to Bermuda. Hurricane Imelda, now a hurricane earlier this morning, just a tropical storm, but I will say it's going to become a 2 right over Bermuda. So they are still going to have some impacts, though there are going to be some big waves out towards Florida. But for our area over the next 7 days, we're expecting to stay on the quiet side. Here's a look at the rest of the forecast. More 90s will continue as we do get to the weekend. With those rain chances, we'll be into the 80s, the mid 80s, so right around average for this time of the year.